Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your kits on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the eFootball game on your device and then proceed with selecting your default team in order to gain access into the main menu. Once you gain access to the main menu, if you wish to change your team's kit, then first of all, go ahead and start your match. Tap on the match option, and now from the match page, you can choose any kind of match that you want to play. Just go ahead and select your team that you want to use. And now before the match begins, you will be able to choose your kit. Just tap on the gear icon at the bottom section and then tap on the hanger icon. You will now be allowed to choose which kit you want to select for your team between the home and the away kit, and you can also choose the kit for the other team that you are playing against. After choosing your kit, you can tap on the back button and then proceed with enjoying your game on your selected kit by tapping on the next button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your kit within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.